Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Do you remember Heidi? The mountains, the simple life, and the smell of fresh bread. Today I'm making Heidi's bread, a bread inspired by our childhood. These are the ingredients for this recipe. 350 grams bread flour, 6 grams salt, 5 grams sugar, 5 grams instant yeast, 190 to 220 milliliter water. This is one of the easiest and tastiest breads, and as you see, it's made with just 5 ingredients. In the first step, add the bread flour, instant yeast, sugar, and salt, then add some of the water. If you are not sure your instant yeast is active, mix it first with a little sugar and water from the recipe before adding it to the other ingredients. Remember, in most bread recipes, we don't add all the water at once. We start with part of it and add the rest as needed. Next, knead the ingredients by hand or with a stand mixer. At this stage, gradually add the remaining water from the recipe while kneading. Different flours absorb water differently, and the dough consistency can vary depending on the flour, humidity, and temperature. Adding all the water at once can make the dough too sticky or hard to knead, so it is best to adjust as you go to get the perfect texture. Sometimes your flour might not even need all the water from the recipe. As you can see in the video, your dough is ready, soft, smooth, and elastic. Now grease a bowl. You can use olive oil or any vegetable oil for greasing. Place the dough in the greased bowl, cover it, and let it rest for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you will see the dough has grown in size. Now grease your work surface well. Put the dough on the surface and shape it just like I'm showing you. Now line your baking tray with parchment paper or grease it, and place the dough on the tray with the scored side facing down. Cut a plastic bag and brush it with some oil. Next, carefully cover the dough with the oiled plastic and let it rest for about 50 to 60 minutes. After the final rest, the dough will have increased in size. Gently remove the plastic covering from the dough. Sprinkle some flour on the dough and score it with a baker's lame. You can also use a sharp knife, a tip for a nice cut. Wet the blade or knife a little before scoring. Keep the blade at a slight angle and don't press too hard. The cut should be shallow, just enough to score the dough. Preheat the oven to 190 degrees Celsius or 375 degrees Fahrenheit. After 20 minutes, place the dough in the oven. Be sure to put a tray of boiling water under the baking tray. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes. Remove the bread from the oven and let it cool completely before slicing. Never slice the bread while it's still hot. Here's our Heidi bread, soft and so delicious. See how fluffy it is. It reminds us of simple joys and childhood memories. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.